2 months ago, I published my book, Defending Tax Justice and Protecting Taxpayers' Rights. This book is about how revenue officers find out that taxation has been done by inference, and revenue officers give taxpayers penalty with additional taxes. This is a total abuse of tax law. What struck me the most was the 4 freedoms that President Roosevelt mentioned in his 1941 State of the Union address 80 years ago. The last one of these freedoms is freedom from fear. These 4 freedoms have been already universally recognized. However, I suddenly discovered that taxation has created the fear for those who have been illegally taxed. I find this unbelievable. That is why I jumped in and wrote a special book in my capacity as a civil servant in the Taxation Bureau. What I wrote in this book is actually a portrait of the government's illegal taxation of Tai Ji Men. In the last paragraph of my book, on page 108, I state, the unconventional taxation mindset of a tax collector with no legal basis can override the legislative, judicial, supervisory, and interpretive functions of the Chief Justice. Even the tax justice, which represents faith and fairness for a government to rule a country, cannot be performed. How can the government talk about democracy and rule of law, about taxation and judicial reform according to the law? Look at this statement. Isn't it exactly a depiction of the Tai Ji Men tax case? So what I really want to call for today is the taxpayers' rights. Why is it that after so many years of democracy, there is taxpayers' fear in Taiwan? There was no taxpayers' fear before. Why do we have it now? Thank you all.